It is time for our Thanksgiving travel forecast for November 21st, 2018. This will take us right through the midnight hour, so you can see across the nation things are pretty active in the Northeast and the Northwest. A big thankful Thanksgiving shout out to Idaho Marine, Yacovelli Real Estate, and Angie's Metal Art Creations. Love these sponsors, and I've got some more great sponsors coming up in this show and some great weather. So let's go into the Pacific Northwest. A lot of traveling today along Interstate 5, back along the Columbia River Gorge, and getting on into the Idaho-Oregon border area. You can see plenty of moisture coming on through California, Nevada, back into the Northwest. This will continue as we go on into the overnight hours, and it will be pretty hefty at times, and it will be in the form of snow. That forecast is coming up not only for the Northwest, but the Northeast as well. Hey, check out this sponsor and watch this kid. Wait till the end of this video.
I hit it way up, Dad.
112 yards.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
How'd you hit that ball?
I just, boom.
Did you see that? Boom, he said. He just hit that ball. Boom. He was so proud to tell his dad. That is the Back 9 Golf over there on Overland, just by the Cole Road area. So check that out. Hey, let's check out the Northwest temperatures. Not much in the way of temperatures as far as cold air goes, but as you go into the overnight hours going in towards 10 p.m., that's when we see the blue temperature scale get into form, and that will form some snow. And you can see from here, snow will be falling in the higher elevations if you're traveling overnight tonight. Back along Interstate 5, mainly in the higher passes, down towards Donner Pass. A look at that coming up. And even some snow kicking off in the blues of northeast Oregon, so watch out going up Interstate 84. And in the mountain areas along US 95 and Idaho and 55, you will run into some slick travel, especially overnight. Again, this is for November 21st. That is your Wednesday forecast. Now down to the south. The heaviest snow in the country will be falling around the Donner Pass area in the Sierra Nevada mountains. You can see a foot or more being picked up in our snow scale there as that snow moves on through, and then back into southern areas of Oregon and northern California and around northern Nevada. Snow will be flying too in those higher passes, so watch out for some slick travel conditions if you're planning to travel overnight tonight. Hey, another word from our great sponsor, Security Gold and Silver Exchange on State Street in Boise. All right, for friends and family back up in the Northeast, look at this. This is brutal. Temperatures well below zero, like 10 degrees below zero in the overnight hours as an Arctic blast hits New York, New England, Rhode Island, all the way back into Pennsylvania. And when you get that cold air coming across those open Great Lakes, you get lake effect snows and snow showers pressing down in towards New England, getting down into Pennsylvania, even as far south as the nation's capital. Look at that, just a lot of snow shower activity with some slick conditions along Interstate 90, 95, back across Interstate 80 and 70. So use some extreme caution there. Otherwise, across the rest of the country, not much going on. I mean, it's just the Northeast, it's just really the West. And then in the middle of the country, we're seeing no problems as far as snow goes. The cold Arctic air, though, will get down into the southeast, and rain showers down around Texas along Interstate 10 and hugging the Gulf Coast states of Louisiana, Mississippi, back in towards the panhandle of Florida. Hey, you have a great Thanksgiving. If you want to check back in, I've got another forecast coming up for a stronger storm in the Northwest.